fixed data types. Now I am asking one simple question. How you are going to create a variable in C programming language like this? Do you agree? Yes. Means here id is the integer variable and it hold what value? 100 value. It is perfectly valid. It is perfectly valid. Now id equal to 200. It is also perfectly valid. Now observe id equal to abc. Valid or invalid, sir? It is invalid. Why it is invalid? We created an integer variable, but we assign what data? String data. Your code will not compile in all programming languages like C, CPP, Java, or .NET. But this code is perfectly valid in the JavaScript. So let us see the problem and let us understand the thing. Now observe how we create a variable in the JavaScript. ID equal to 100. It is valid. ID equal to 200. It is also valid. ID equal to ABC. This one is also valid. In JavaScript, we don't have what concept? Fixed data type concept. In JavaScript, we have dynamic data type concept. So in the fourth line, ID variable is of number data type. On the sixth line, ID is a string variable. Here I can do number operations. Afterwards, I can do string operations. It will lead to the problems like up to this now plus minus divided by percentage is valid. But here length, character rate, those kind of string operations are valid. So there are chances are there we are going to write a bad logic in the JavaScript, but this problem is corrected in the TypeScript. So let us see where id number equal to 100, id equal to 200. But the moment you are going to assign the variable, what is TypeScript file is doing? String is not assignable to type number. So it is clearly giving the error when the developer try to do the problematic thing. So what it is proved, sir? TypeScript have fixed data type, means once you define the variable data type cannot be modified.